What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my next moving vlog. If you saw the last one, it was me unpacking a lot of boxes. I still have some left, and honestly, it's not terrible. It was a lot to begin with. Mostly clothes and shoes and little knickknacks that don't really have an easy placement. Speaking of boxes, I just got my HelloFresh box in the mail, and you guys, I have missed HelloFresh so much the last couple months when I was traveling. Excited to have new meals to make in my new kitchen, and it's gonna be so much fun. So I'm gonna make these later in the vlog, but thanks HelloFresh for sponsoring. So my strategy right now is I'm kind of just piling all my winter clothes, scarves, whatever, off-season things on my bed to get them out of the way, because what I'm gonna do, it's kind of like this weird puzzle where I can't do certain things until I do others. So the latest developments, I took these big storage bins out. I know they're kind of falling apart, but whatever, they do the job. So I have some long-term storage stuff up there that I don't need to access. I still have my suitcases from Europe that aren't fully unpacked, so I'm just gonna take these out, bite the bullet, and empty them. Then I'll have my empty suitcase so I can fill the suitcase with more storage stuff, mainly winter clothes, and then store the suitcase up here. And then I can put the other ones in the other side of the dresser drawers, also filled with winter clothes. Things like my airbed is up there already. I'm sure I'll come across things that I don't need to access all the time. What else do we even have in here? This is for my vacuum. So I'm thinking I might mount the Roomba to this wall. Roomba, am I dumb? Yes. Dyson. So that'll be good. Found this cute little like weekly calendar thing, dry erase calendar, that I think I'm gonna hang on the side of the fridge here just so I can write on it and access it. Mostly I just want to clear out the floor space in the closet and start putting shoes there, because I have a shoe rack. I think I'll need more than the one I have. Like I said before, I wanted to do an over the door one, but I just don't know if it's gonna be feasible with the way the closet is. Piece by piece. I honestly think I can clear out like pretty much all these boxes today, maybe, fingers crossed. It's just a little tricky because I don't have all my storage furniture yet, like the dresser I want to get, and the over the toilet bathroom storage, and the kitchen cart. But let's just pull this out and start unpacking this. Okay, what do we have? I'm gonna take these packing cubes and throw them on top of my clothing boxes for when I organize those. Tell me why I brought this whole thing of swimsuits to Europe. I used one of them. Jeans, which was hardly cool enough to wear at all. And you want to remember this little Marc by Marc Jacobs watch? I was obsessed with this in high school. Successfully unpacked and started to repack the suitcase. Those are tights and like nylons and stuff, and then in here I put like hats and scarves in the outer pockets, so smaller things. And then we're gonna fill this guy with some big winter coats. This one is all puff. Okay. The rest of these will definitely fit in another suitcase. And it's really not as bad as I thought. So this is gonna be a struggle to get up there. It took some readjusting. I had to take out scarves and stuff from the front because it was too bulky to get up there, but we did it. The suitcase is in its place. Honestly, a good spot because it ends right there. And I still have this space, so honestly, I think I might put the other suitcase up there upright because it's just so much easier to get it out of the way. And I know it's gonna be ugly, but I don't really care. I'm gonna keep the closet probably closed most of the time. It's functional. So now I'm gonna tackle this one, unpack all the stuff I had in it from Europe, repack it with the rest of my winter clothes, maybe my Christmas tree if it fits. And then once I have that up and out of the way, I'll fill this thing with shoes. I used to have my laundry hamper next to my shoes in my closet, but I put it in the bathroom over here in the corner for now, which obviously won't work when my storage is here. Like, these updates are really not as exciting as the ones I did in my last vlog, or the ones to come when my decor comes in the next couple days. In my head, this tree was gonna go inside the suitcase. On this episode of Why Am I Like This, just take off all the ornaments and put them in a separate cushioned bag. Not even all of them. Okay, if there was nothing in this couch, it might work. Huh, look at that. I'm gonna put these in the inner pocket. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work for all of them, but we'll do what we can. This one packed up nicely. I put kind of boots and wintry shoes that I won't be wearing for a while in here. This is the current situation. Honestly, I might just leave it like that. It's kind of cute. It's like, is this gonna fall on my head when I'm choosing an outfit? No, I'm gonna jump on a chair and like push that part down and slide it all the way up. Okay, I'm now sweating from this workout of pushing that suitcase up there. Heaven knows if I'm actually gonna be able to get it out when I need to. It's there to stay for a while and I had to take out a coat, but wow, that was rough. Okay, now I have my shoe rack in there and all of this space freed up. I'm gonna start putting shoes on it. We're doing some good progress. I'm gonna break these down, take them out to the recycling. You guys, look at this. Are you ready? Organization Nation. What in tarnation? Pretty stocked. I mean, I still have a lot of empty hangers on the left here, so I have room to hang up a little more stuff. I don't want to like overcrowd it because I know people are commenting about the rod drooping, but it was already doing that before I even put my clothes on it. I might have to do some sort of reinforcement situation. It looks like I have an absurd amount of shoes. A lot of these that are up here are more like certain occasion shoes, 5 heels, work shoes, you know, light up shoes. Have some black booties back there, and then my tennis shoes that I wear a lot. I put my little step stool there. I feel like this will be fine. I'm not gonna need another external shoe organizer. If you have ideas for things to put here that could be useful, that would be good. Random thing happened, but YouTube creators Twitter account started following me and I was like, that's random. And they tweeted me, also I'm loving getting tweets from you that you're loving this series and it makes me so happy. So if you're not following me on Twitter yet, what are you doing? It's linked below. The actual verified YouTube creators Twitter, they tweeted me and they're like, congrats on the move, DM us and we'll give you a gift. That's so nice and so random. Like, why did they seek me out? Honestly, maybe they've noticed that you guys have been like so engaged and excited about these videos. Keep giving the thumbs up and commenting and all of that because I love interacting with you and YouTube loves it too. For real though, like on a side note, it's been a really long time since my channel's actually grown at all. I'm not in YouTube to optimize and do all the trendy things and tags to try and like grow the biggest audience and make it this big empire at all. Like, I just live my life and film it. But it makes me so happy to see that you guys are really enjoying these videos, and the more that you thumbs up it and engage and everything like that, like it promotes it to new people too. Anyway, stay tuned to see what the heck YouTube sends me. I'm really confused. I don't know what they would send. What's up, you guys? So it is later in the day, the next day. I didn't really vlog anything after like the afternoon yesterday and this morning, but we're back. I'm about to make some late lunch with HelloFresh and I'm so excited because it sounds so good. The last little updates. Do you see this? All of the boxes are cleared out. Also, I'm having an issue with my Dyson, which is really sad, where I've been charging it, but then like when I try and use it, it blinks orange lights. So let me know if that's happened to you. I can Google it and I will, but I have not yet. Look at this. It's very dark in here right now because it's kind of thunderstormy. It's like it's gonna rain tonight, so it's kind of not much sunlight. Look at all this floor space. There's so much room for activities. I'm down to 3 boxes. This one's hardly even a box. It's like 2 1/4 of a box. This is clothes that I need to get a dresser for. I've got all my shirts in this one, pants in the other one, and then I put all my winter stuff in the suitcase in storage on those sides like I told you I would, and some extra bags and things. And packing is pretty much done for now. All I have to do now is just wait to get more furniture to finish putting everything in place. But now, I'm so hungry. In the mail yesterday, like I showed you guys, I got 3 meals from HelloFresh. I've missed HelloFresh so much. It's that time if you've been watching my videos forever.
Kristee cooks another HelloFresh meal on YouTube.
But I haven't been able to do like all the full-on grocery shopping yet to like have a stocked kitchen to cook. So if you don't know, say it with me now, HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service. And they just make cooking so simple because they bring everything to your door in a box, pre-measured ingredients, ready to go, so you don't even have to think about it. You don't have to do the grocery shopping. It's perfect for me because, like I said, I have not gotten into my groove with grocery shopping yet, and it's been crazy with moving and unpacking and everything, so this is the perfect timing when I got this. I'm deciding between Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti, which is good, but I don't have any gluten-free pasta yet, so I think I'll save this one and use the ingredients later when I get that. And then there's amazing apricot chicken, which this looks so bomb. And there's also beef bulgogi. Oh man, another word I'm gonna butcher that everyone's gonna correct me on. This looks so good. Like, this is like mouthwater picture looking good. So, I mean, they all are, but this just sounds the best right now, so I'm gonna go for it. I'm so excited to do like a cook with me with you guys in my kitchen for the first time. Like, this is a big deal. So here we go. Done, boom, at my door, pre-measured. I don't even have to think about it. I just get to make it because I do love cooking. Like, it's so fun. I love learning new recipes. Every single thing I've tried from them is delicious. So I know that this will be. Oh, I need to start by cooking the rice. Okay, all of the instructions are in pictures on the back. It's idiot proof, so even I can do it. Y'all hear that thunder? So I have one serving right when I cook it and one serving for later to save for a meal, which is great. And it's now from $6.99 per serving, so it's a good deal. So here we have our pre-measured rice, trim and thinly sliced scallions. You got it, dude. Rice, baby. And a pinch of salt. Just chatting while I'm slicing my scallions. But something that's a little trickier to get used to than I thought it would be is not having a food garbage disposal in my sink. Hard because I don't like to keep food in my trash because it just gets gross. I don't know, I guess it's not that hard. It's just I'm so used to just like throwing things in the disposal, which I guess makes you more mindful about not wasting. Scallion smells so good. Look at that. How cute is this little vinegar guy? That was more than half. We're gonna do ribbons and put it in the vinegar. HelloFresh is super accommodating to different preferences. You can find something like family recipes to calorie smart and vegetarian. And it's also flexible to fit your lifestyle, so you can add extra meals to your weekly order. You can get sides like garlic bread, mouth-watering, or cookie dough for dessert. And we got a meal for tomorrow. So would you look at that value? I'm actually like, my mouth is watering. Okay, now my favorite part is trying to get on camera with you guys, but I'm gonna try and get a bite of everything. How is it this good every time? Like, how did I make this? Whenever I make a HelloFresh meal, it's the same thing because I'm just like in awe of how delicious it is. A little spicy, but delicious. All the flavors together. It came with this really yummy, like sweet Korean barbecue sauce that I put on the beef. Oh my god. You guys know I am obsessed with HelloFresh, and if you want to try it for yourself, you can get 8 meals free. That's $80 off. Just go to HelloFresh.com and enter Kristee80, and then you can get $80 off in your first month. Again, that's such a good deal. I'm gonna say it a second time. $80 off with Kristee80 on HelloFresh.com. You'll be just as amazed as me, I promise. I'm gonna scarf this down. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of work on my laptop before I go to Flywheel with Michelle Reeve night. You guys, I just got something in the mail from Amazon. It's my first like new decor piece for this place, so it's pretty monumental. I mean, it's not even like the biggest or most exciting thing, but it's a step. So let's open it. So I said that I wanted to do more black and white contrasting, so I got this for the kitchen, which is so funny because I just finished cooking and it would have been so cute in the background, but oh well. Got one of those like super cheesy scratch off maps for the wall. It's black and gold. It's kind of like a tan color, and I'm disappointed because I thought it was going to be like shiny gold. Well, let's see how it's gonna look on the wall. I don't know, I feel like it's not as cute in person. I'm gonna push pin it, step back, see how I feel. Well, what do we think? I mean, I don't hate it. It would be cuter if it was actually gold, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Yeah, it brings a nice contrast in the kitchen. Kind of cute as a background for filming here. Let's pretend I'm making my HelloFresh right now that I did like an hour ago, and this is in the background. What do you think? It's growing on me. Maybe I'll scratch off a country and see how the colors look with it, and then we'll see. Look at this, they have a whole little toolkit, like excavating tools for you to like carve out the countries you've been to and stickers. This is actually kind of cute. So I'll put it on my Amazon page. Oh, it even came with push pins for it. Wait, I'm so dumb. I used my ugly silver ones. Okay, whatever. I was not prepared for this. Is this a guitar pick? They even have the US state by state. Where should we start? What should be the first country I carve out? I mean, obviously the US is the first country I've been to because I was born here. South Africa. We're starting in South Africa. South Africa is literally almost the color of this thing. Terrible first choice. Sorry, South Africa. It's not your fault, it's the map. Let's do Spain. Spain, I have high hopes for. Are they all this damn color? What is going on? You know what's not gonna be a boring color because it's massive? China. Yep, called it. China is green, everyone. Okay, this will give me a better idea if I like the look of this. Guys, my arm is tired. I'm not gonna do this all at once because I'm already bored of it, but I'll come back to it and work on carving out the countries I've been to and all the flags down here and stuff too. But I think it's kind of fun. Yeah, I think it's cute. I'm gonna keep it in the kitchen. So, yay, new decor. Started storming hardcore outside. Right now there's a lull, so I'm gonna make a mad dash for the metro station, subway, whatever. Armed with my pre-workout. I'm going to Flywheel, actually, which I haven't been to Flywheel in forever. Honestly, I haven't done any sort of cycling class or hardcore cardio in so long. Like, it's been months since I've been to a cycling class, and so I know I'm not prepared and I'm gonna be a mess. Going with Michelle Reed, who, if you guys don't know, is also a YouTuber. We both have it on ClassPass. We were like, yeah, let's go to a cycling class. Let's go to Flywheel together. I go back and forth, like Flywheel and Soul Cycle, and I do really love both of them. I don't think I think they're good for different things. I tend to lean towards Soul Cycle more, but I still love taking Flywheel classes. To the subway station and then go take a class with Michelle. Sorry, I'm dumb. Okay, we made it. We're alive. Waiting for everyone to leave. We finished our Flywheel class. Michelle is taking her Instagram stories. You saw these stories when they went up. Comment down below if you follow her on Instagram. You guys have time, she has a week. Yeah, we got the bikes here, which was nice. They're starting another class. They got new bikes in like January, and they're not, I don't like these bikes as much.
Well, this, whenever I was spinning it, kept like coming.
Yeah, see, it's not as sturdy, and I'm confused because their old bikes were much better, so I'm like, is this budget cuts? I don't know. What did you think of the like numbers thing, like the torque and stuff?
Said like the numbers to do.
Yeah.
I didn't really look at the board the whole time.
Oh yeah, no, me neither. So. But it's kind of nice to have some guidance. I was 10. I wasn't on the board though.
At one point I thought I saw your number and I was
like, Still looking like a tomato, but I just got home from going to Flywheel with Michelle. It was so much fun. It was honestly so nice to get back in a spin class. If you guys have never tried Flywheel, it's on ClassPass, whereas Soul Cycle isn't. ClassPass I always recommend, and I say it in all my vlogs, I feel like, because I love it. But you can go click my link in the description to get $40 credit, which is amazing. So you can just try different classes and everything. Michelle's actually doing a brand deal with them. I'm not sponsored by them. So nice to work out, and I really liked our instructor. His name was Brandon. A couple tacos because I want to save my next HelloFresh meal for tomorrow. Making my ground turkey tacos. This avocado pit got cut in half, so I don't know my own strength. Or it's just not ripe enough. If you guys enjoyed the last little bit of unpacking of this thing. Also, I'm getting the most exciting thing in the mail tomorrow, and I can't wait to show you guys. Oh, and I called IKEA again, and I have $125 on my gift card, so you best believe we're gonna use it. So in my next vlog, I think I'm finally gonna order a dresser and start like actually ordering bigger furniture things that I want to have. And I have a couple really cute things, like a big game changer. My rug is coming tomorrow, so you'll see that in my next vlog, and I will see you then. Subscribe if you're not already. Join the fam. We're a good time. Okay, love you, bye.